floating softly in the sky. Clouds were sweet and white as snow. Candy lights began to glow. A yummy adventure was ready to go. Fluffy candy, soft and light. Rainbow colors shining bright. Tommy made a candy tree. So delicious, soft and sweet. Soft and sweet, what a magical delight. Candy doors opened up wide. Tommy stepped with joy inside. Lollipops smiled everywhere. Sweet surprises filled the air. Magic treats beyond compare. Gummy bears said come and play. Marshmallows laughed all day. Candy friends were kind and sweet, dancing on their tiny feet. Every moment was a treat. Candy doors opened up wide. Tommy stepped with joy inside. Lollipops smiled everywhere. Sweet surprises filled the air. Magic treats beyond compare. Candy train went chug chug fast. Rainbow zoom bridges right past. Tommy waved with happy cheer. Sweet adventures far and near. Best ride a whole year. Best ride of the whole year. Soft marshmallows made the way. Tommy skipped with joy today. Clouds were fluffy, skies were blue. Candy dreams were all brand new. Fun for me and Funko bright, shining with a magic light. Tommy held it with great care. Sweet surprises everywhere. Happiness was in the air. Candy doors opened up wide. Tommy stepped with joy inside. Lollipops smiled everywhere. Sweet surprises filled the air. Magic treats beyond compare. Rainbow frosting sprinkles too. Tommy knew just what to do. Cupcakes looked so big and sweet, colorful from top to feet. Every bite was such a treat. Candy friends all danced nearby. Balloons floated through the sky. Joy was glowing far and wide. What a sweet and happy ride. Tommy waved goodbye, my friends. Sweet adventure way up high. Candles sparkled in the sky. See you, sweet friends, goodbye.